Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make Prizepicks account without ID verification. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, let's go. I'm gonna explain the steps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now here we go. What you're gonna be doing is you're gonna go ahead and open up your app. You're gonna go to sign up process. You're going to enter your email address, you're going to enter your name, you're going to enter your birth date, and etc. Now your account should be verified automatically, which will require the 4-digit number of your SSN. And if it hasn't done, that means it needs further information, which will include your ID, which is the government ID, and then you have to submit them to complete your verification, aka completion of your account creation. So unfortunately, Prizepicks does not let you have a guest account because it needs to verify you for you to claim. So verification is simply one of the process by creating your account. It is not a different process where you have to go after creating an account and go to find it. So unfortunately, you gotta verify yourself. Make sure to enter the correct number, correct picture of your identity verification, and then wait patiently for it to be verified. Without doing so, you cannot create your account and you cannot play over there in the Prizepicks as well. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.